When I tell y'all, this dress right here snatches you in. Okay, when I tell you,
only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
what's up you guys, it's your girl Sierra back with another video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are not new here and you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, sis. On this channel we do all things fashion, travel vlogs, and beauty. So if that is something you're interested in, definitely go ahead and click that red subscribe button and join the family. So today I am doing a mini collective haul, just kind of showing you guys some of the things I have picked up over the last few weeks or so. This video is going to be very quick and straight to the point. I don't have that much to show y'all, but anyways, let's get right into this video. Okay, so the first item that I want to show you guys is a perfume that I just picked up. If you are not new to this channel, then you know your girl loves a good fragrance. She loves to smell good. I have 2 or 3 fragrance videos on my channel, so if you're interested in seeing my fragrance collection, definitely head over to my channel and check that out. But anyway, the fragrance that I recently just picked up is the Jo Malone Frangipani Flower Cologne. This fragrance right here, you guys, is beautiful. Like, when I tell you this is one of those fragrances that I will pick up on a daily basis, it is beautiful. It smells very clean. That's what I would say is the best way to describe this fragrance, and I think that's why I would normally wear this on a day-to-day basis. Fresh out the shower, headed to work, you know, someplace where you want to smell good but you don't want to do too much, but you still want people to ask you what you're wearing. It's this one right here, you guys. It is beautiful. I love a clean, like, fresh floral fragrance. The keynotes in this is jasmine petals, frangipani, and sandalwood. It is described as a fresh twist of lemon with frangipani lang lang notes resting on a base of a creamy sandalwood. Like, when I tell you guys, this is something that I feel like every clean girl needs in her fragrance collection. It's just chef's kiss. If you want to just shower and hop out and put something nice for the day while you're running errands, going to the office, you know, real chill, this is your girl. Okay, so the next item that I want to show you guys that I just got, I was so excited when I got this package in the mail. Like, you guys have no idea. I was really in the market for a new vlogging camera, something small, compact, that I can take with me on the day-to-day. So I ended up picking this, especially because I've seen so many reviews and it has been blowing up on Instagram and TikTok. Like, social media has been hyping this camera up for like at least a year now, and then I finally bit the bullet and I went and got it. That is my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. You guys, this camera, this vlog camera, I literally have been obsessed with it since I started using it. I've only had this camera for about 2 weeks now, but it is amazing. The quality is amazing. It shoots in 4K horizontal, and then vertical it shoots in 3K. But look how small it is. Like, it's just like literally the smallest little compact camera. I love it so much. The fact that it's on a gimbal makes it even better. Like, it's great if you're just out and about, walking, running, doing anything of that nature, and you want smooth, clean footage that's not like super bumpy or anything like that. This is definitely the camera for you. So I got this camera, and I also got the creator combo. So in the creator combo comes the little carrying case, and then inside of the carrying case you get an extra battery handle. You also get a small little tripod. You get the DJI mic with the wind guard as well, so you just pop that on if you are filming in a very windy place. So got that. It also comes with, obviously, the USB-C charger, and then it comes with a wide angle lens that just pops right onto the camera. I can show you guys actually how it pops onto the camera. So once you turn the camera on, and then you can literally just, it's a magnet, you can literally just pop it on to the lens and you're good to go. If you want more wide angle shots, I'm not really a big wide angle person. I don't like how it makes everything look kind of bubbled, but some people really do like the wide angle lens, so it is nice to have. And it also comes with a tripod extender, a small tripod extender. I don't have it with me right now. It's actually in my car because I have it set up in like a car mount in my car. But essentially the tripod extender looks like this, but it's like half the size. You pop it on and then you can screw the tripod on the bottom. This one also has a tripod extender as well. Even though it is a battery pack, it also can screw the tripod on the bottom of this. But as you can see, the battery pack starts to charge the camera. So honestly, I think the creator combo is really great to have. If you're a content creator, you want like all the like bells and whistles that comes with this camera, definitely suggest the creator combo. Oh, and I forgot to mention, it also comes with a gimbal protector. So when you want to throw this camera in your bag and you want to make sure you protect your screen and also your gimbal, you just pop the camera in here and it protects the camera. You can just throw it in your bag. So anyway, I really love this camera. I think it is definitely something that is worth purchasing if you are into content creation, you love vlogging, you are a shy girl and you don't want to be like, you know, walking around with a big huge camera and everybody's looking at you like, what are you doing? Then I highly suggest this. Like I said, the quality is great. I actually have a vlog on my channel right now that was shot fully with this camera. So if you guys are interested in seeing the quality of that, I will leave that vlog down below in the description. But 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Okay, so the next few things that I purchased were handbags. I am addicted to purchasing mini handbags. I am a mini bag girly. So I recently did a little bit of shopping on the SSENSE sale. SSENSE is the perfect place to go when you want to get designer items but you don't want to break the bank. Like, I always shop the sale on SSENSE. Like, as soon as SSENSE goes on sale, I'm running to the website and I'm adding to cart, because it is the perfect place to get items that you have had on your wish list for a very long time. But again, like I said, you don't want to spend a lot of money. Almost everything goes on sale on SSENSE at some point. So I always suggest, if you're into, you know, leveling up your closet and trying to get more high-end pieces, check the SSENSE website and see if it's there, if it's sold there. And then I would suggest just waiting until it goes on sale, because it will go on sale. And a lot of the stuff that I have gotten on SSENSE, I have gotten for like 50% off or more. So the bag that I recently got from the SSENSE sale is this Jacquemus, I don't know how to exactly pronounce it, Bambino mini bag. You guys, love this bag. It is like a pale yellow. I feel like the lighting right now is washing it out. It's a little bit more yellow than what it's showing right here on the camera. Let me put the bag on this side so you guys can better see the color, because I feel like the light on this side was blowing it out. But this is what the bag looks like in color. It's super beautiful. As you guys can see, it has the nice gold Jacquemus logo. But I love this bag. I love how tiny it is. I'm obsessed. I've been wanting a Jacquemus bag for such a long time, and no, they're not extremely expensive, but I'm a girl that likes to save her coins, so I'm gonna always wait till something goes on sale. I'm just saying, like, I am not the type of person that's just gonna run out and get a designer piece and just splurge. I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna wait until the time is right, until it goes on sale. So this bag recently went on sale on SSENSE and I just had to pick her up. It came in so many different other colors. I feel like the SSENSE sale is slightly still going on right now, so definitely check out the website, see if you find something that you really want on sale. I know there was a bunch of Jacquemus bags that were still available. Highly recommend. This bag also comes with a long strap that you can hook onto the side of the bag. It is pretty small, but I'm able to fit a good amount in this bag. So I'm able to fit my phone with no phone casing here, and I have the iPhone 15 Pro. If I take my phone case off, I'm able to fit my phone in here. I'm able to fit lip gloss, gum, keys, a little compact mirror, and then I put my credit cards and stuff in this little card slot on the back. So highly recommend this bag. It's such a great staple. Okay, so the next thing that I got from the SSENSE sale was this Marni Tropicalia bag. I think I'm pronouncing the name of this bag correctly, but I have been wanting this bag for so long. You guys, if you are not new to this channel and you've been watching for a while, you know that I travel very often, and I wanted a cute mini bag that I could wear on vacation that could go with pretty much all of my outfits, and this was one of the bags that I saw in Essence, wanted it, and I was like, but I'm gonna wait because I know it's gonna go on sale, and it did. And I got this 50% off. I love this bag. It is, yes, it's a micro bag, but it fits so much into this bag. And this one also comes with a longer strap as well, so if you do want to wear it crossbody, you can do that. I am not big on wearing my mini bags crossbody. It just really depends on what I'm doing for the day. If I'm doing something for the day where I need my hands to be obviously like free, then I will crossbody it. But for the most part, I feel like an outfit always looks more put together when you hold your mini bags from the top handle. But you guys, I love this bag. It really does fit a lot. As you can see, it fits a lot, and I just think it's really the perfect bag for any vacation look. And I just had to have it. Very, very on trend, very stylish. And again, it's just like, why not? It's on sale, why not? Okay, so this next item is another bag. This one I got on Amazon, and it is this gold shell acrylic bag. I love this bag. Now, don't get me wrong, it is very cheap. Like, it is a cheap bag. As you can see, it's plastic, acrylic, whatever. So it is a cheap bag, but I think something like this, let me put it on this side so you guys can see the color better. Something like this, perfect again for vacation. If you are a vacation girly like myself and you just always want to have things in rotation when you go on vacation, I think this is a perfect bag. Like, perfect night out bag for vacation. But absolutely love this bag. I definitely think for the price and for what you're going to be using it for, it's like a why not type of situation. This will be in my Amazon storefront as well, so if you're interested in getting a bag like this, I will link it down below. Okay, so the next item that I'm going to show you guys is a designer heel. These heels actually are pretty old, but they're new to me, if that makes sense. I got these secondhand. You can only find these at like a secondhand store like Fashion File, The Real Real, Mod Sense, someplace like that. But they were in excellent condition, only worn one time, and for the price, it's like, why not? So these are the Fendi First I think Gladiator strappy sandal. These shoes are so freaking cute. Like, what I love the most about this shoe is the heel. So as you can see, the heel is in the shape of an F, and it's not your typical type of heel because it doesn't have like that normal stiletto, which makes this shoe very, very comfortable to walk in. Like, this is a shoe that I can literally be in all day and be just fine. The heel, I think, is about like 4 inches or so, but because of the way that the slope of the heel is, it helps make it a little bit more comfortable to walk in and to be in all day. Love a strappy heel, so I mean, you cannot go wrong. It's black and gold and bronze, so it literally goes with everything. And if you are somebody who doesn't really love to wear heels that often, but you do still want some height, this is a perfect shoe. Like I said, you can walk in this all day long and be super comfortable. And I'm actually going to an event next weekend where this shoe is going to come in perfect handy because I'm going to be in grass, but it's still an event that you should be wearing heels. So perfect heel to walk in when you're going to be in an outdoor setting. Love. Like I said, like, even though it is a second hand, it was only worn once, it's still pretty much brand new. You aren't gonna really be able to find this on the Fendi website anymore, but you'll probably be able to find it on Fashion File, Mod Sense, or The Real Real. So if I find a link to this shoe, I'll link it for you guys down below if you're interested in picking this up. But so cute. And this originally retailed for $1,200, and I think now you can get it for like $300. So definitely a shoe that I highly recommend, especially for those girlies who want a little bit more comfort. Okay, so we only have 2 items left, and I feel like I saved the best for last. I recently just picked up some really cute dresses. So the first dress that I picked up was this beautiful maxi dress from House of CB. You guys, this color is stunning. Y'all know bright colors like this look amazing on brown skin. So like I said, this is a maxi dress, super long. What I love about this dress though is the like lace detailing at the top, and the fact that it has like a bra cup wire stitched in, and then on the back it has a sort of like corset style lace up, which is really nice. The straps are adjustable because I love an adjustable strap. And then it has a slit in the back because it is a bodycon tube dress. When I tell y'all, this dress right here snatches you in, okay? When I tell you, snatching you in, gives you all the shape. The curves are going to eat in this dress. It is very stretchy, like extremely stretchy. The only thing that I don't love about this dress, which comes with the territory, is that it is very hard to get into because it is so stretchy and it snatches you in so much that it is hard to get into. But once the dress is on, y'all, chef's kiss, like you are going to eat down in this dress, okay? Like eat down. It's very simple but just very classy and really flirty. I love this dress. If you've been watching for a while, you know I love me a bodycon maxi dress. I love to accentuate my curves. I love looking snatched. So this dress, highly recommend. So the next dress that I got was actually from the SSENSE sale as well, and this is a black mini dress by Guzio. Y'all, I love this little cute little number. It's really hard to show y'all in the camera, but it is so cute. I love the fur detailing on the neckline and the sleeves. It is a mini. It does stretch. It is a knit fabric, so it stretches. It doesn't stretch as much as the House of CB dress, but it does stretch and it does fit on the body really nicely. This would be a very cute cocktail dress or something for like the holiday season. That is what I was thinking about when I ended up picking this up. I was thinking about like an easy, cute dress to wear to a holiday party. I love fur, like anything with, obviously this is faux fur, just so I make that clear, but I love a fur moment. I just feel like it's just very classy. It feels very elevated, and I think it just really makes any outfit look really nice. So when I saw this dress, I had to have it. The fur is removable, so if you don't like that detail, you definitely can take it off of the neckline, but that was the whole reason why I bought this dress to begin with, because of the fur, okay? I'm just saying, you want to be that girl, or do you want to be that girl? You feel me? So this dress is definitely one of those dresses that I cannot wait to wear during the holiday season. I did pick this up in a extra small, but I feel like I should have got an extra small or a small. It fits perfectly in the body, but around the neckline, it's a little bit tight. So this dress is off shoulder, so it's worn like down here, and the part that goes across the chest is really tight, so I'm having a hard time like actually moving my arms in the dress. So I think I am going to exchange this for a bigger size. I want to be able to move but overall it still fit really good, and it really is a very nice dress. I already know what I want to wear with this. I don't have the right shoe yet, but I am thinking of picking up some really nice black knee-high boots to go with this. I'm thinking sheer black tights and a knee-high boot and a cute mini bag to go with this. So I just need to find the right shoe, but overall I love this dress, and this is definitely gonna sit in the closet for now until like November, December, when we start going to holiday parties. But she's that girl. Like, all right y'all, so that is pretty much it. Those are all the items that I have to show you guys. I didn't do too much. I didn't go too crazy with spending the money, because like I said, we like to save our coin. But I do highly recommend checking out the SSENSE sale if you don't do anything else. Also definitely check my Amazon storefront for a couple of these items. Everything else I'll link down below, of course. But that is it. I hope you guys like this video. More of these videos will come. You know, every time I buy a few things, I always like to share them with you guys. I hope that you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.